All I'm asking you to do, my young friends, is forget the past. हरिवंश राय बच्चन जी ने लिखा है ना, जो बीत गई सो बात गई, जो बीत गई सो बात गई. Whatever mistakes you have made in the past, forget about them. All I'm telling you now is who you are today is the result of your past choices. Yes, no? You agree with that? Who we are today is the result of our past choices. Who you will become tomorrow will depend on the choices you make today. What choices you will make today? So what I'm saying is you have this opportunity to reinvent yourself. आपके पास ये opportunity है to reinvent yourself by making new choices, right? And simple shifts. Put the phone in the airplane mode for 5 hours a day. Then take it to 6 hours a day until you completely eliminate social media from your life. Every day, make a simple shift if you really want to do something in the examination. So my young friends, I will give you a little mental exercise. You all ready for it? All my young students, even the faculty members can do it. 3 questions I want you to ask yourself. Start, stop, continue. What should you start doing? 1 behavior, 2 behaviors. What should you start doing which you're not doing at the moment, which will add great value to your life? What should you start? क्या शुरू करना है? Type in the chat box. Think about it and type it in the chat box. What should you start? जो अभी नहीं कर रहे हैं, which you're not doing right now. But you know it deep down in your heart, you know it. If you do that thing, you will get great value from it. What should you start? Type it in the chat box. Somebody saying study. Good one. Study to for granted hai. Control your mind. So, no, but don't make it too vague. Make it something specific. Okay? Like I say to all the students, please eat more badam every day. You will need to change your diet also. This is what I do every evening. If not every evening, every second, third evening. I dip in maybe a handful of almonds in water. The next morning, I peel them, I eat them. So they are ready before. In the evening before they're ready. All I'm asking you is simple things, not something philosophical. Bada cheez nahi chahiye. Start positive thinking. That is too philosophical. Start small. I will have my books ready in the evening. I will have this ready. Small steps add up to big things. The next step is stop. What I should stop? Please type in the chat box now. What should I stop? Which I'm not do. Which I'm doing at the moment. जो मुझे बंद करना चाहिए. Am I spending too much time on social media? Have I gotten into a relationship at this age? You should not be in relationships. The only relationship you should be in at your age is with yourself. The only love affair you should have right now is with yourself. If you're getting involved in relationships right now, forget studies. Okay? You got to decide क्या करना है आपको. You got to think. If you got into a bad habit like pornography or doing something else, something destructive on the internet, you are the judge. Nobody can tell you. The voice inside can tell you. मुझे ये चीज बंद करना है अगर मुझे जिंदगी में कुछ बनना है. If I want to be something, and what should I continue? That's my third question. मुझे start क्या करना है? मुझे stop क्या करना है? और मुझे continue क्या करना है? These are the 3 questions I want you to think about today, so that you can make course corrections. And